Now we have another question. If factorial n divided by 2 into n minus 2 factorial and factorial n divided by factorial 4 into n minus 4 are in the ratio of 2:1. Find n. So these two variables are given in the ratio of 2:1. We need to find n, which is quite simple. So we need to put them in the ratio and proportion rule, which is if a is to b is equals to x is to y, then a by b is equal to x by y, which is from ratio and proportion lesson. So we keep putting the above given amount in this certain formula. So let's do it. We take here a is factorial n by 2 into n minus 2 factorial is to b is factorial n by factorial 4 is to n minus 4, which is equal to 2:1 as given in the question. So we put them in the above rule, which is factorial n by 2 into n minus 2 factorial divided by factorial n divided by factorial 4 n minus 4, which is equal to 2/1. Now then, in this situation, we have another rule in ratio and proportion. If a by b divided by m by n is equal to x by y, then we can write them as, now you see this n can go up, so we can write them as a by b into n by m is equal to x by y. So we use this rule here this way: factorial n divided by 2 into n minus 2 factorial. So this one goes up, so we write it as 4 factorial 4 into n minus 4 factorial divided by factorial n, which is equal to 2. Now you see factorial n on top, factorial n on bottom, we cancel out to make it easier. Another thing, bottom is factorial n minus 2, top is factorial n minus 4. So n minus 2 is greater than n minus 4. Now there is a probability of cancellation, and we do it like this: factorial n into n minus into factorial n minus 4 divided by 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into factorial n minus 4 is equal to 2. Now you see this factorial n minus 4 and n minus 4 in top and bottom are similar, so we cancel out, which leaves us with factorial 4. So we expand it there. Factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by, we had a 2 there remaining. So put that 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 2. Now you see this 2 and this 4 can be cancelled out. 2 and 2. Another thing, if on the LHS and on RHS, if it can be cancelled out, so we cancel out. There's a 2, there's another 2 here. So we further simplify it as on the left 3 into 2, which is equal to divided by n minus 3 n minus 2, which is equal to 1. Why 1? Because we cancelled everything out. On top was 3 into 2 and in bottom was n into n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 1. So we cross multiply and take this on the other side, which makes it 3 into 2 is equal to n minus 3 into n minus 2. We rearrange them and we find n minus 3 into n minus 2 is equal to 3 into 2. We further simplify them. We expand it, n into n minus 2, n into n minus 2, minus 3 into n minus 2 is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. We further go expanding. N into n is n square. N into minus 2 is minus 2n. 3 minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 is equal to 6, which further can be written as n squared minus 2n minus 3n is minus 5n. So this should be plus 6. Minus 3x into minus 2x is plus 6x. So plus 6x on the equal to sign, the other side, the side there was 6, we bring it on the other side. So the other side becomes 0. I mean, I take this 6 into the other side. So this gives us n squared minus 5n plus 6, because there was plus 6, and I take the 6 to the other side. So there's another 6. So this 6 cancel. So we are left with n squared minus 5n is equal to 0. We can again take common n minus n from n squared and n from 5n and write it like this. Further, we can write n is equal to 0 or n minus 5 is equal to 0. But as we know, in factorials, this can also be written as n is equal to 0 or n is equal to, this minus 5 goes on the other side, becomes plus 5. Now for factorials, n cannot be 0 in this situation. So we consider n is equal to 5. This satisfies our question.